Hello everyone, welcome back, and in this video we're back in Southwest Florida here today, as you guys can all see. And in this video we'll be checking out first person driving in Southwest Florida. Yes, there is now first person driving in Southwest Florida. I'm pretty sure a lot of people already know this, but yeah, this came out in the past update. You can now drive in first person in Southwest Florida in some cars, which I'll be showing you guys today. We'll be checking out first person driving and all that. So yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed the video, and let's get straight into it. Alright, so the first car we have here is the Lamborghini Huracan Spider Evo. As you guys can see from the roof, by the roof here, this car is convertible. There's a button right here which you can use to take off the roof here, and there we go. It goes on pretty smooth like that. Pretty nice animation. And if we actually check out right here, there's actually now a interior in the car. That is just really cool. There's the push to start button right here. Pretty nice steering wheel. This is really detailed right here. I really like how detailed this is. It looks really nice. Really nice. But yeah, pretty nice interior. You can also take down the windows if you want. Right here, take the window down. It's pretty nice. And to drive in first person, all you gotta do is zoom in and it'll put you into first person driving. Pretty nice as you guys see. First person driving right here. So if you actually drive right here, the camera should follow, so you don't need to move. The camera will be locked in right there for you. If you want, you see look around, but then once you start driving again, the camera will lock in again, which is really good. And when you reverse, the camera will actually move back, so you can reverse based off what way you're reversing. Camera will also move that way, which is really cool, as you guys can see. But yeah, Southwest Florida really nailed it with the first person driving. Really good, really easy to drive in first person here. Pretty interesting point of view. It looks really cool overall. So this is one of the cars you can drive first person in, and it's honestly really cool. But yeah, here's the first car you can drive first person with. Second car you can drive first person with here is the Lamborghini Reventon. This car here is limited, but if you actually zoom in, it's pretty nice. I don't like the normal interior color. I usually change it to white or blue or something. We'll have it in white right now. But I really like the Lamborghini Reventon interior because of the carbon fiber here. Honestly, the Reventon here has such a nice interior. Like, it's really nice, especially with the customizable color. It's really nice. And driving in first person is really fun in this game. You know, it would be really good if you have a steering wheel, and just driving with the steering wheel in first person would be really cool, honestly. I tried it with my steering wheel, and it's pretty fun. It's pretty nice to drive first person with the steering wheel. It's pretty realistic. It's pretty fun, honestly. Pretty good. But it's just really cool seeing an interior in Southwest Florida. Because, you know, normally when we zoom into a car, there's no interior. You could drive first person in Southwest Florida before this update, but there was just no interior, and it's just not that cool. As you guys see, if you zoom into a normal car, you could drive first person. Like, the camera will follow you still. As you guys see here, camera still follows you and all that. I don't think when you reverse, the camera does not go back. But yeah, before this update, you could still zoom into your car and drive first person, but there was just no interior, and it didn't look that cool, you know. It's just not the same without an interior. It doesn't feel as good for some reason. But you could obviously still drive first person here. You could still zoom into your car. But it's obviously just better, in my opinion, to drive with a interior with these cars here. For the cars like the Lamborghini Huracan Evo Spider, you do not need to take off the roof to drive convertible. It's obviously pretty cool, but you could drive normally too. You could drive with the top on, and it's still pretty cool. Honestly, I really like driving with the top on. It's really cool driving with the top on here. Honestly, really nice. Like, I think the Huracan Evo Spider is the only car you could drive with an interior with the top on, because the Reventon and the Murcielago, you can't put a roof on the car. Wait, let me check. Does this car have an interior? I don't think this car does. Yeah, alright, this car does not have an interior. The Reventon has an interior, but you have to drive with the roof off. There's no roof for the Reventon. Same thing with the Murcielago here. There's no roof, so you have to drive with the roof off. But it's still really cool driving with the roof off. The Murcielago here has a bigger windshield. I don't know if it's just me, but it seems like it has a bigger windshield, and it seems like you have more view driving in first person with the Murcielago. Oh, hold up. Do you know what? Oh, I just noticed this. Look at this. When we're driving, if you look right here to the shift, oh my gosh. If you look right here to the shift knob actually moves. Like, if you look right here to the shift knob actually shifts where you're driving. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That is really cool. Look at that. I did not notice that. That might just be for the Murcielago maybe, because I don't really drive the Murcielago that much. Let's check it in the Huracan Evo Spider. Actually, oh, there's no shift knob, because the Murcielago only allows you to drive in manual. There's no, yeah. Let's see. Let's check the Reventon. I don't know if there's a shift knob on this. Yeah, there's not. That's why, because it's only for the Murcielago. I don't really drive the Murcielago too often, and yeah, I'm pretty sure the Murcielago has a bigger windshield. Like, look at this. Not as big of a windshield as the Murcielago right here. Look how big the windshield is for the Murcielago. That's actually really nice. And for the Huracan Spider Evo right here, windshield is pretty small also. But yeah, overall, driving first person in Southwest Florida, amazing. Like, really, really cool. If any of you guys have a steering wheel, I really recommend you guys try driving first person with the steering wheel. Honestly, really, really fun. I enjoy driving it with steering wheel. You could drift also here. Ooh, that's actually, let's try drifting in first person. Let's see. Hold up, I'm bad at drifting. Alright, here we go. Try to drift this corner right here. Okay, look at that. Drifting in first person is not bad. It's just a bit hard. Oh my gosh, I'm losing control. Yeah, you could drift in first person. It's pretty cool. Yeah. So you could drift in first person and it looks pretty cool. But it's just a bit hard. Yeah, it is a bit hard to drift in first person, but for the most part, driving in first person is really, really fun. Like, it's really cool to see a interior and first person driving in Southwest Florida. Like, it's pretty crazy. I love the past update, like interiors, first person driving, lots of new Lamborghinis. Like, oh my goodness, the past update was just really good. Really enjoyed it. Pretty sure most of you guys also really liked the update. But yeah, overall pretty nice. But yeah, I think I'm gonna conclude the video here. I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.